Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you will see more of dentistry, gardening, cooking and also lifestyle videos on my channel. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today is a product review video and I wanted to mention that all the product reviews I do on my channel are not promoted. I buy the products, use them and then I give the review for my viewers to watch. So today's review, as you all know from the title of the video, is about a face wash which is from Wow Skin Science. The Greek yogurt face wash from Wow Skin Science. The packaging is quite sleek. As you can see, the tube is quite sleek. It came in this outer box and this box had loads of promotional pamphlets. I was quite surprised to see there are many promotional pamphlets inside the box, and that was a box. The product is a 100 ml tube which cost me around rupees 249 and I bought this from Nykaa. The price is quite okay. I'm happy with the price. It opens as a flip top like most face washes open. It's quite travel friendly. Flip top bottles are airtight and the product does not fall off very easily. Fragrance. The fragrance of the product is a bit tangy. From that Greek yogurt it has, the fragrance is a bit of tangy and sweet, so it's more on the tangy side, but it's okay. It's quite okay. It gives that natural feel to the face wash, which is quite nice. I do not have any issue with the smell. And the consistency, I wanted to talk about the consistency. I will show you the consistency first. See, I am not pressing the bottle, it just is flowing down on my hand. And just look at the consistency. It's just too runny. I'm very afraid to do my hand like this because it will just fall off. Consistency is very runny, and as you saw that I did not even press the bottle, it just fell off in excess. So that is not a good thing about this product. This is the only kind of con I got about this product. The consistency is not good. It's very runny and the brand should have worked on the consistency. A bit of thick product would have made this the best face wash. That would have made this perfect. So this has many good ingredients. This has Greek yogurt extract, aloe leaf extract and hyaluronic acid. So those are the very good things in this product. I will talk about the Greek yogurt benefits. How does it help your skin? Greek yogurt has lactic acid. All the benefits of Greek yogurt are due to lactic acid. Lactic acid exfoliates your skin and also reduces the signs of aging from your skin. Greek yogurt also has calcium. So this calcium will heal your skin. If you have dry, flaky skin, that calcium is going to heal that dry and flaky skin. This also has vitamin B5 and B12. B5 is responsible for the brightening effect on your skin and B12 is effective for that lightening effect on your skin. So brightening and lightening, both of them are coming from that Greek yogurt which is present in this face wash. So as you can understand that Greek yogurt is very beneficial for your skin. This face wash also has hyaluronic acid. So what are the benefits of hyaluronic acid for your skin? Hyaluronic acid can give you that hydration which you will feel after you use this face wash, and hyaluronic acid also has an anti-wrinkle effect. It also has healing properties for your skin and has antioxidants. Antioxidants, what does that do? It makes your skin healthier. So that was all about hyaluronic acid. Now this also has aloe extract, aloe leaf extract. Aloe leaf extract has many vitamins and also antioxidants that will make your skin healthy, and it also gives an anti-acne effect. So as you can understand, this face wash is loaded with good ingredients, and I will give you my experience on using this face wash. I have been using this face wash for the last 20 days. So I have seen that my face is very hydrated after I wash my face after using this face wash. That is really very good. Many face washes dry my skin out a lot. I have a combination skin type, but I face that problem with face washes. But this is very hydrating. It moisturizes my skin very well after I use this face wash on my skin. And yes, this also claims that this is going to give you a brightening effect on your skin, and it does. After using this face wash on my skin, I do feel a bit brightened up. My face brightens up a bit. And you know how to use this. Just damp up your face and just take a bit of this face wash on your hand, massage it well on your face, on your damp face for 30 seconds in a circular motion like this, and then wash off your face after 30 seconds. So that's how you use a face wash. That's normal. This does not have any parabens, sulfates, silicons or any color. I have shown you the color of the product. It's white, so it does not contain any artificial colors, and this is for all skin types, so any skin type can use this, and this has a shelf life of 2 years. Thus I will conclude that I really like this face wash, and only negative I saw about this was the consistency, which was way too runny, and that might be a problem for many people because it comes out very easily and very much in excess. That was the only negative I have about this face wash. So I am going to repurchase this, and if you are planning to try out a new range, you know, this Greek yogurt is a new range, definitely try this out. It will work out, I think. Obviously you can do a patch test on your skin. If you have a sensitive, ultra sensitive skin, then you can do a patch test, because this is yogurt and it has the lactic acid which may not suit some people. So you can do that patch test and then use this, but I think this will work out for most of the people. So that was my review about the Wow Skin Science Greek Yogurt Face Wash, and thank you for sticking around till the end of the video, and also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.